Welcome back to my final morning report analysis video on Thursday 17th of January with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at gold, which continues to remain stuck in this trading range sideways. There is a very slight positive bias to recent market lows, and there is this sort of unwinding move on the momentum indicators, which I think is effectively just going to be renewing upside potential really, rather than any sort of imminent corrective move. And you look at the fact that we've been supported above 1285 in the last week or so. Seems to be consistently where the market has come back to find support and then pull higher again, and that is above the 1276 key reaction low from the last 2 weeks. And this is all still playing out above the uptrend, the old uptrend channel support, and also this most recent sharper uptrend channel as well intact. So I think the market is still positioning for a bullish breakout of this range, 1298 being the range. But from there, where do you go next? Well, 1300 to 1310, massive overhead pivot band, consistently over the past 2.5 years, has been crucial as turning points. So we need to see the market breaking through that to really start to go, and that's, I mean, it's probably one of the reasons why we are ultimately just seeing the market consolidating underneath this. In fact, you've got this big overhead resistance around 1300 to start to kick in. But as I said, you've got the momentum indicators, which are still strong and positive and basically just unwinding, helping to renew upside potential, and I think that will ultimately mean that we're going to see an upside break. For now though, we are range bound. You can see that on the hourly chart. Very range bound. Between sort of mid-30s on RSI towards 65, that is very much range-bound conditions. Look how tight the MACD lines are around neutral. So we need to see this breakout above, initially sort of 1295 would help, but obviously 1298 would be the key breakout, but obviously then it needs to really get above 1310 for the bulls to get some sort of decisive move higher. And for now though, we are consolidating, but as I said, with a slightly positive bias. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.